Good evening, guys. Tonight I'm bringing to you a $320 upgrade sign-up bonus, stackable with swag bucks. It's a fairly easy bonus to get. Many others have done it before. Who is Upgrade? Upgrade is a financial technology company. Checking and savings accounts are provided by Cross River Bank, member FDIC insured. It's nationwide eligibility. There's no checks pull, so you don't have to worry about banks checking your checks account. Insured up to $250,000 through FDIC. There are no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, up to 2% back cashback on common everyday expenses, mobile check deposits. There's no minimum balance requirements for this offer, so you don't have to deposit any money or keep any money in there after you're done with the bonus. The step by step for getting the $320 bonus, you'll need to open your Swagbucks account. You can go to swagbucks.com and open an account yourself and just navigate over to the financial offer for upgrade. It's either searchable, or if you click on the drop down menu under Discover for Finance, you can navigate to the upgrade offer. It's for 120,000 points or $120, redeemable for gift cards like PayPal, Amazon, or Visa. If you don't have a Swagbucks account and would just like to use this one right here, it takes you straight to the upgrade offer, and you can just click on it. And once you have navigated over to the upgrade offer on Swagbucks, you want to click on where it says offer accepted. Once you get notification that the offer has been accepted and registered on Swagbucks, um, you'll get a confirmation of the offer being activated. You want to paste the upgrade referral link in the browser. So take this link and paste it in the web browser where your Swagbucks account is, and that's how you'll get the stackable bonus. You'll get the additional $200. For those interested, the Swagbucks account is a free online rewards program that pays you for various internet-based activities. There's no fee for signing up for an account. There's no monthly charges. It's 100% free. Once you've clicked on both links and after you've activated the Swagbucks offer and pasted the upgrade referral link in the browser, the next step you're going to want to do, once you've created your account and you signed up for the Rewards Checking Plus, you want to set up a direct deposit of at least $1,000 within 45 days. You can use either real direct deposit through your employer, or another option could be Chase Biz Checking will also trigger that deposit. You can also check Doctor Credit for other sources that may work to spoof that direct deposit. The $200 welcome back bonus will post to your checking account within 30 days of completing the requirement in step one. So once you've completed the $1,000 direct deposit within 45 days, that $200 welcome bonus will post to your account within 30 days of completing that requirement. The Swagbucks offer 120,000 points will post to your account within 32 days. You can redeem the 120,000 points for gift cards such as PayPal, Amazon, or Visa. I have done PayPal myself and just redeem it through my PayPal account and deposit $120 into my checking. So that is the $320 bonus for the upgrade offer. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, feel free to email me or leave a comment in the link below. Otherwise, thanks for listening and have a great night.